Intellectual Capital is proud to sponsor this year's Technology Development Award.
Accessible Diagnostics develops at-home, smart home-based health tests. Our first product is a painless glucose test. We'll begin sales of a veterinary version of our product, VetTab. It's painless, affordable, and convenient. A pet owner takes a VetTab and collects a sample of saliva from their dog. It turns a color based on the amount of glucose in the saliva. The pet owner takes the tab, puts it on a carton, takes a picture. It determines the amount of blood glucose and displays that on the phone. The test data can be journaled in the phone for a history that the pet owner can refer to in the future, and it can also be communicated to the vet through a cloud-based dashboard so the vet can help manage the dog's health. LifeTab is our human version of the product, which is focused on 700 million diabetics and pre-diabetics worldwide who need a low-cost, convenient way of testing their glucose. The first product we'll sell is VetTab because it doesn't require regulatory treatment. Lots of pet owners are looking for ways to test their dog's glucose in ways that are painless, convenient, and affordable.
Here at Heatworks Technology, we are reinventing the way the world heats and uses water. Every day, billions of people around the world use electricity to heat water for many reasons. Every one of them is sacrificing purity, energy efficiency, and water efficiency. Our new technology solves all of those problems. Instead of using heating elements, we get hot and transfer the heat to the water. I decided to use advanced electronics and use the minerals in the water to conduct the electricity, making the water as hot as you want, as fast as you want, for as long as you want.
So, Omega-Ray technology is the phrase that we use to describe the process of heating water in our water heaters. It refers to heating water with a bunch of graphite plates that all have different spacings in between the plates. So the water flows in between those spacings, and by energizing the plates at different times, we can very accurately control the amount of power that goes into the water to heat it to the exact temperature you need.
All electric water heating devices in the world, whether it's your tank at home or your coffee maker, use one or more electric resistance heating elements. Those elements work by getting really hot, like 600 or 700 degrees Fahrenheit, and transferring the heat to the water. When they do that, because they get so hot, they boil off the water at the interface between the heating element and the water, leaving behind the minerals in what they call scale or calcification. Our technology is so advanced that we use water as a heating element, and that allows for perfect temperature, endless hot water, and virtually 100% efficiency.
At Polymed, we are developing really interesting novel materials for medical applications. We've been doing this for 25 years, and really the focus has always been on medical. It's always been on unique materials used in really unique applications. So as we look at this really emerging field of 3D printing, additive manufacturing, and just the huge potential it has in creating novel therapies, the most important thing that we see, and the only part that's left that's actually functional in the body, is the material itself. So that's really where we start in creating very tailored, very customized materials.
So at Polymed, what we're really working on is taking our novel materials and putting them into a format that can be used on any open source fused filament 3D printer. And this really includes our Lactiflex, Glycoflex, Straflex materials, and the unique properties of the materials really are based on their flexibility and their ability to be resorbed in the body. We are helping clinicians develop a new tracheal stent, which can be used for pediatric care, and also redeveloping a nasal splint that will have a huge impact in the nasal market, replacing current silicone products. To really achieve this for our clients and for businesses, we are actually able to bring in-house printing services of where Polymed will be printing medical devices in the future at facilities in Anderson, South Carolina. We do foresee this to really have a huge impact in the area in terms of growth for Polymed and for South Carolina by bringing in jobs and also being able to accelerate what we're able to provide clients in terms of additive manufacturing solutions.